Hey, boys and girls. I'm going to go over the answers for context clue cards 6 through 10. I was very proud of you today. You might have made some mistakes on this, but for the most part, people did better than they did yesterday. So you're getting good at looking for those clues and figuring out the mystery word. Now, I know today with your assignment 11 through 15, you'll do just as good or even better. All right, card number 6. So the first time I did these cards with my class, I didn't have the answers memorized, and I thought it was a hurricane. But then when I started checking the answer key, I was like, oh, it's not hurricane. So I had to go back and look for why it wasn't hurricane. And that second sentence talks about how whatever this weather thing is produced from a thunderstorm. It says indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a ruther. So we kind of should know that hurricanes don't come from thunderstorms. They typically form out over open water, and it's where the warm and cold air currents mix together. So this correct answer was a tornado. All right, this one, I don't think anybody missed this one. It's beaches, and the clues that I really focused on were this last sentence where you can build sandcastles, play volleyball, you can swim near the beach. Also, this word up here, shells. So a place where you can find shells, build a sandcastle, makes sense that it's the beach. You did a great job on your giraffe sentences. You told me that giraffes were tall. They had spots. They ate leaves. They're from Africa. Sometimes you might see them in a zoo. The fun fact that I didn't know, somebody said that giraffes and humans have the same number of bones. I thought that was pretty interesting. If you got this one wrong, you probably did like a one-word answer, or your sentence was super short, or it wasn't really long enough. Maybe I gave you 10 points instead of 20. So whenever you have to write a short passage, it did say 2 or 3 sentences. So you needed to make it nice and long. All right, next. I guess my clue made this one too easy because only a couple people said pandas, my son included. Something about that word bamboo, and everybody's like, bamboo? Panda. But apparently elephants eat bamboo too. And the clue that really tells us that it's an elephant is that it says this animal uses its trunk to breathe, and they have tusks to dig underground for water. So if you put those clues together, a large land animal, tusks, a trunk, herbivore, you probably should come up with elephants. And last but not least, I did mark a few of these wrong because you used the word Mercedes, and Mercedes-Benz is the brand of car that goes with Bertha and Carl. However, Mercedes doesn't sound very good when you use it in the sentence. So it says, Bertha Benz was the first person to take a Mercedes for a long ride. Her goal was to prove to others that the Mercedes was something that would help improve the lives of others. She was an important person in shaping the future of Mercedes. That sounds kind of strange. So if we substitute cars or automobile, it sounds a lot better. Bertha Benz, wife of car maker Carl Benz, was the first person to take an automobile for a long ride. I guess that kind of says it should be cars right there too. Her goal was to prove to others that the car or the automobile was something that would help improve the lives of others. She was an important person in shaping the future of automobiles, or she was an important person in shaping the future of cars. So it just sounds better with the general name versus the brand name. So I did count that wrong if you said Mercedes. So, good luck today on 11 through 15. I know you'll do even better than you did yesterday, and I look forward to reading the answers that you come up with for our context clue cards for today.